The solution he had when he's made that statement, where is that solution? Now he's in government. So why is he not applying that solution he has? It's a simple matter. You can see we are not thinking like human beings.
What's you to a move below? Why is it your move?
But when you let them feel it in the marrow, then they start to reason like humans do reason. It's simple. That's what I'm saying. To eradicate Galamsey, it shouldn't take you more than 30 days.
We are fighting Galamsey. We are fighting Galamsey. Nanando Baye, we are fighting Galamsey. John Mahama Baye, friends, we are fighting Galamsey. Whilst there is no job for the youth, and your friends say, I can say, Aboso kind dear, and I say, can say, individual workers until obin to me and couple you. Dabi, come some Kuruma for now, Kuruma for no soldier for Nibin, and I'm offense of my dream. So Munya, Namunya, Casache, now Munya, Benumano, and Chassi and Coso, on Bijay, and some Moody soldier for almost any day. Mukuni Patena, and there soldier Niba, Conso, American Qua.
San, because at the end of the day, say, you the result. And fast one, I was here. Yeni I work from now was here. And this in MVP Galamsey are now more Galamsey are some more Canada. Personally, we went so.
A Jumana was for Mofa, mine in the was in was for Mofatim for Mofa or my few. What I say, or was at the perfect
The people in the town will not stop. The Omebani sent the Kuya and Precona because they come on the way. You bet me soldiers are called on. I'm a situation so almost me sacrifice on my life since the Kuya.
Apart from coming to my hands and even about a really Ghana.
Medavo illegal mining, ADU. My gun and more quite bonny. I fast to former good year. I say yes, you say you nearly, say you're quiet, and near Marco Dua, and I'm illegal mining, ADU, my gun and what you mean in a nichibi. Say higher pana by way bar. Was say, Monto Mamma me bar, Baba modern Messi illegal mining and not quite. You will summon your MP for cabby, NDC for so kind, NDC for no power, besides so far. One more bomb share and some mobile illegal mining, one move to us here. Say, Nacosi saying, the Etianet here. Media the Acosia Boajawa don't come for tap send from us. I will send this came from on a name. They are bomb my gun and tap send web boy Yankasa. What they have answer a car post or another play store, no I could download the tap send. In process, or maybe Sa Pumoko, no about the party. Area show, Fiasia fire transactional. Yeah, so she name me never some upon us at the account because of the party via Wabo Eddie Asha Hormono. Meda for me didn't be a Miacosia Boajawa, don't call Yanti and some amount for a welcome.
To me, they are doing their best because Oko where Galamsey is mean mine now. They are doing their best in fighting it. But to me, there is only one solution to all these things. If government wants to eradicate illegal mining or Galamsey, it shouldn't take the government more than 30 days to do it.
Okay. More than 30 days?
No. It shouldn't.
Sir.
No, yeah.
Why are you saying that?
Any serious country or any serious leader who wants to take a decision, you have to take a bold decision. Because we are living in a country whereby the mentality of the people are like animals. That is how they think. That is how they reason. So if you don't use force or you don't use the laws to straighten them, to get to where you want to lead them to, you can't do it. Because more or less, anytime I travel and I enter into Ghana, when I enter to Kotoka, I see Animal Kingdom.
You see animal?
Yeah, that is what I always tell myself. I tell my friends, when you come to Ghana, it is like and they don't reason like humans do reason.
Relax.
The truth, see, to be able to lead, let people take the truth as it is.
Okay.
If someone is stupid, Ghana more problem yes, kasano, sebi, and kasa. Yes. It's simple.
Okay.
When you travel out to the maintain sebi da.
Okay.
Enya kasa.
Okay.
Ghana, I'm used to sakasa. No, it's not. The person is a fool. Let the person understand. You're stupid. Do you understand? You see, when you try to sugarcoat words, people don't feel the impact. But when you let them feel it in the marrow, then they start to reason like humans do reason. It's simple. That's what I'm saying. To eradicate galamsey, it shouldn't take you more than 30 days.
Okay, next, which one? It was a government in the street.
It's simple.
Using the law by force.
You see, you have the Ghana Armed Forces. What are they doing?
Okay.
They are being paid. What are they doing? You have Air Force.
Okay.
You can shoot from the air. They shoot to kill. Who will enter into the forest with them?
Shoot it. They should shoot
To kill. It's a simple matter.
Hey. So, that's
To kill from the ground.
you don't have sympathy or something.
You see, the person doesn't want to reason like a human being. So you take the person on that tangent. It's your person treating it sabwa. So you treat the person like an animal. It's simple.
Okay, let's admit to ya Kobe Bini Ghana ya acted the same more.
Yeah.
It's in all permanent pump.
Yeah, so you
shooting our
yeah, about drink to say nipa.
Okay. So far no NDs no they are doing their best or
You see, Ghana's problem is politics. If we take politics out of all the equation and we want to reason, act, and do things like human beings do, then we can get to where we are going. One, the constitution of the country, I don't know the people who drafted it, but this is the time anchor. We are in the 9th month. It should be scrapped. You see, we are not thinking like human beings. That is the bottom line. We are not reasoning like human beings do reason. It's a simple matter.
Said you see, say government are serious or bet to galamsey asia. And you can say taking it for 30 days.
No, it shouldn't be more.
Yeah, can say when for Ura Sam George. Honestly, I can't say maybe a chim. When opposition.
When you're hungry, it's different from how you cry, and when you're satisfied, it's different from how you cry.
Okay.
So it's a simple matter.
It's not Tamana or Casa Sam, they're not commodern.
See, no, so what I mean.
Bet me they can't say 1 week. That's the pagan I'm saying.
And send our comedian. They say what I mean. Is he talking the same thing? The solution he had when he's made that statement. Where is that solution? Now he's in government. So why is he not applying that solution he has? It's a simple matter. You know, see, we are not thinking like human beings. You see, the whole problem in Africa is we don't hold the people that we queue and elect them to be leaders accountable. Because if someone is your servant, the person is to serve you. But in Africa, it's the other way around. The citizens are rather serving the so-called leaders that they have. But we don't have leaders in Africa. We have only managers because they are only managing and stealing whatever is around them because nobody is holding them accountable.
No, they are not leaders.
No, we don't. Ghana has had only one leader. Apart from Kwame Nkrumah, I really Ghana. Listen, that is why I don't want to come. Truth is one. And that is how Ghanaians need it. And then I will give it to you as you want it. I'll say it as it is. It's either you take it or you leave it. Yeah, from home.
Illegal money in it, dear. Said, yeah, I am penny for no air cannon. I say, a video of I was said, yeah, ye, Abrana, a NDC, opposition. Almost so no, ye won't crofwa, or move to, according to say, or more air cannon or radio, so and TV sono. Would you almost say no more? O ma winning crofo, where they to galamzeno. And say, and this war oppositioner. I was said, all canon. Say, MPP su oppositioner. I was said, all canon. Baza or Bacoyano soa. I say to me, and ye to me can't as someone said, yeah, day, a city. It has a ye 2 full through a good, yeah, or man day. And you would no, a do baby grano, yeah, Anna, a Santa Galanzino grano. I say, a dread so every say, as some corona, ye, de be a, yes, ye was so for, yes, task force for. Or more, by the end of the day, no, ye hu result papa bia omo koba nso omo sa be ka kire yen say ye nim krofo omo ye galamsey no etisi ye nim krofo omo ye galamsey no then what are we waiting for and a question I am here then bibisa de bia enti said o man no political na de at the end of the day no utwa otatrama we a onwe nam bia galamsey no mo kan no one say ye kwaye two say nsuo it is a nsuo no we a ye kwan fa. And when the last 3 dies, the last man also what dies. And you try to tell Maria, only Nambia.
Nese NDC for no Munyashi, the Moye Biancosi.
May say the Anna Metide Dino, a brana or more position. Sana Misa Chase, the Bia said. The same news and I can't with the Bia Bessi Kunya, a war, TV home, radio so. Near can want some son, because at the end of the day, say a yielding result. And for so on, I was here who Yenny I offer, I was here who and this in MPP Galamsey are now more Galamsey are some more candidate. Personally, me when so Galamsey na yeah can walk until sir. Political gurus, you know, every you move film, no. Galamsey and MPP bo and this bo ebe kwaswa Galamsey because you know say you ja at the end say security for no take charge. They know their work, they know what to do. But politicians on them order say kwase. It is a wona aha eye wo as a site na ebia ai NDC for ba yenim say MPP ni ye kono so say MPP for so ba yenim say we NDC ni di ye kono so di I don't know as a witchcraft hunting di as a partial di I don't know mo kono na ye kan Galamsey no to me pa de me hunu say partial omo cause straight to the point it me to me hunu say etu mfuturo gu ye because say see ano eduru ba bia ye see illegal mining ye do ba bia ye say omo ye no oh your brofobia na there be omo say I say omo ye na ngete no small scale mining and illegal mining and this say ano adano and this be ni bi so san kasa or say small scale mining is a good ada it is say ada na wo eti meme de mi hu so I thought that asem no mo ka no is a deliberate talk omo ni no mo ka a political talk it is like or bakasa so opposition or kasa for sympathy it is an or papa wan so said ya niam si said ya na o si kan no oba no wa sha say ka me bi ufro say said ya na ehu ni ama no ye ba ye no ayese enti to me no Galamsey asema ye kan kasa no said ya na mo kan na de ade no news a political talk
see ade de the minimum say omo try yes bi omo fight say omo be jai kan say kra omo fight for bi a oni papers bi mo portion bi say ya no why mo papers bi ya no why but fan say mo jai no kra de any possible sir any possible so me jai Galamsey kra da be any possible
na say NDC for ntimi mo munja illegal Galamsey no da
illegal no
illegal
no
illegal de amra kwa
illegal no de
say illegal na me bi say omo oku illegal na
okay illegal de omo oku kakra nti best say first be 80% this am be ka about say 50% o say it's not because first na MPP for so no mo say we excavate we are we is a cost pan then but as a current president any there and cost we say mention information be say we gala the minimum say oh yeah time no opposition say omunjai ba hu ni say bia okay kakra bra say kakra say first no
say no illegal Galamsey na illegal miner no say abra say kakra
na me kan say
NDC buy no
me kan say as a mention say we there we to gala we was the minimum say cost there by say first no
okay one more NDC no more opposition no yeah Owura Sam George because be say sa ban what so no Ghana ya to abama no so person was stopping illegal Galamsey and illegal mine na obetima stopping the 1 week here's the case omo buy no omuntimi stop e cry ti amanfo se be ya onche na nonsan o me patch o ho usu se o me patch o san statement no
no kwale so patch on tentem kra say edwane na shwo nu mu na o kan se mebre ene am buy no so ka different thing mu papa wa nti do betima kan bi obetima gani pa back no beka nti Mr. Bega na me say 1 week hey that be possible because we obi adu a baby kra wo yi nti 1 week enye possible di do kan dey na power no mo pe na o pese
no any said do kan
onye say enye possible enye possible say 1 week hey that be enye possible
it's o me patch
o patch o me patch o mpo mo chon say na e post no mo pe no e say mo ba power dey e dey sharing to me mo mai me kaka dey beti ase na 1 week dey that be enye possible
Mr. Mankwa me office wo say ni ska bane de awie ni project no eso de bia me office ka mane wo problem
enemremu na monte tap sending kan
no so ne de
tap send dey easy fast and secured way ubetimi send sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa awo be ne say
kire ne say won ko App Store na Play Store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebu sanso promo code o ma de pet TV nshim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa friend aka akire
tabi minyanwie esanse tap send at the good news aba tap send the gina ne customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no be ne say
so your customer wo UK sisia ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi ayusu sika e wo wallet no tie
eni se say you use momo Ghana hayru
sa pepepe se si tap send atre na shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na papa no
Galamsey fighting. I sent to me too. The reason why I sent to me to say there is no job in the country. There are factories closed. In Kruma, be factories no. In there, o conference a bonsa tie. Yetum, a bosso glass factory. Yetum. Oh we takwa onu musuno. Onu musuna friends we Galamsey kosu onu. Inti na ye be sa factory no. On ba kono ko ejuma we. Martina takwa for friends we 6 good years. Bon. Tisek egu. Tisek no mu suase no friends omu tue excavator. Egu. Bonsa tie. Egu. Sanka bonsa tie wo hono ma. Won rubber plantation no fiti we friends apmenim san ko bonsa san besinko. Obi betuma aye ejuma hono mo ana wenya tractor ba befa akọ we friends factory wo. Of a factory one ma. There are a lot of youth that can be employed. That Galamsey will stop. But as far as that way factories are closed, so you should go to the president. Say friends say factories are closed down. Me na Galamsey ni ejuma no. Ye factories no ho no. Say maybe sa factory no. Aboso glass factory. Omo Galamsey ho no. Your friends say you are close to factory. That's the point. We are fighting Galamsey. Nanando buy, we are fighting Galamsey. John Mahama buy. Friends say we are fighting Galamsey. Whilst there is no job for the youth. And your friends say I can say Aboso kind dear and answer can say individual workers until obin to me and employ you. That be factories are there closed. I ben be on my mind. And say to me, revival factory now. The Galamsey no. To be try.
They say so far, the Mahama or nye bibia who say a bit must stop illegal mine.
Or bet me, but the people in the town will not stop. The Omebani sent the Kuya and Prekuna because the come on the way. You bet me soldiers are called on. I'm a situation so almost me sacrifice on my life since the Kuya. Seriously. And everyone say nipa nkwambia enkita nipa nti so ntu ntu hwe onuanum say wo di so esi ni so na wekunu dabi nti right now then ayeye to stop the Galamsey work their factories closed down. We need to revive those factories. Me angasa me ko bonza tai me huta mata my friends we Bangalore sisi honomo abrofo ye honomo a or seven say na enije e wo honomo. Those things are not happening again.
See with that 1 week statement now will make here and we man MPP for ewa by mu no mo ka say ne ya betena so 1 week atwam I want mean stopping illegal mining e be on brand be patch o no mo ya
since our friends we can say and NDC war power from 19 we by propaganda no bia de edi wini friends election tie na you say propaganda and you know we ka too much na be say me power some me vote ama say me vote ama you do me say yen vote ni na propaganda and so we pacho ni na woni sem
that's so near
Panama say the fight against illegal mining, beba form. Because we share measures now, President Nigeria to form now. In the news, committee say there more be more pickups anyway. Now the committee now will be fighting against it to make sure beba form than the previous government. Nana was also high because we share our river bodies in Nana. Utatu kwaya the more say is very nasty. I hope say if the fight now we just pray to God say why.
You know, who GDA say and so far near my Rajan Mahama dear Kuemono. I shall say enter uncle 4 years and no say and this for baby or Mama Muno. Not illegal mining no a twitch chakra and as I say.
Oh, illegal mining in the ocean. But how to go about it now? I'm say river bodies now. To fight against Galamsey, they want to make us say you give a year because our previous government it was about 8 years. They couldn't fight it. And also more be years, but measures in take a good place. I think say a boy.
Okay. One man this war position. I can say Abaya Ghana to Abamano. Na president ayaya to Abama no or who kwan say ko betima stop Galamsey within a week so person stop Galamsey ene wo mo ene wo so here is the case I say obey 9 months mu dey Rajon Mani Mahama baye no Galamsey illegal mining no say bi omunya etuntwa akra no bi mo ke ka say be ya ombra bontin na omepa chew e was a statement no make here ono mo yad
oh say ombra bontin be pa chew ne dey and we know when you are going to the stand say, when say Galamsey na yetu, a nipa eduman, and one, and you read the Ghanaians nepena yetu, foreigners account. And the leaders of this country now, Mushishem in parliament is so count. And then they are just easy, sir.
When we say easy, sir, but opposition or I can't say, Abaya and I just best stop illegal mining. Or best stop it within 1 week. And no, I'm Ghana for because I said no one also.
Say most of our African leaders in some talks are political talks. Okay. But to me, what can I say? But it can't happen that way. It will take time. But to me, they say I'm sure the way I measures now, we have to do from now. I'm sure the way I am my corner now. I hope say it will be better than those days.
That's so near to change.
With the hobby sabin. And then the Obibesi, the Tianity, and society. Now, the Ama youth know so. Still, our Munjai Galamsey near a Juma in the Obey. Okay. The Juma view of what to say, Mimi Flo Boissy. So, call your crew more Boissy. Why is in April? Timemu for neighbor. So we shall obwasi AG. Eye biaya. First, I mean, Miss Kitkatia, me benini ya, benini bedroom and pempen surely. I mean, so obwasi Galamsey, obwasi. But near Galamsey near you. ni etu amana gold etu kofo e sensu sensase but ene oko obuase na oko ye mpatam titiru ene ye mea kasa makura ase obuase krom na ye wo but ye kura ase aye nanam kodidi wo ye kura ase sisi ame no kasa menua so utru obuase kronim na wo ko village ba sister areho na se kire se ye ni nchirima ye bebre ba boss ye nananom no se sa na nkomo beye ya first na nuase wo sa na umbeye ya nke ye nyini medu stage bi a yebetimi atoland ene youth obi ho sifua o de tinye koye mana o timi nya be mama ne toland man but ene land de be kromu nyina ye ga galamse including efie nyina omo ye galamse nte ha adwene pa ya dia sister eti hono e ya dia ye adwene echiri enchiri mabe ha disempenifo na edwene abo youth na sister bibi atu betwa me di blame ni nyina be ma mpenifo nyame yi wo mo so mo di yanim fa sebi ayemfofo president no mo ne ade a omo kasa edru baby no omo na akoso we nyina because omo boa me no mi enu a ebe de ne yekunu be kasa okọ galamse because you know what me no mi enu ne be ma na ubisa no we nya ede na be ma no be so sha no ho se baby odi ne ti be pem mo be nya sebi na no aduane ma bia so na yire ne ma so obuase mine no ye ne chemicals we yemu adu bi na eti afi chemicals a wo yemu e ya adu bi na eti ase because ko obuase a ensuo etwa ye ho ahie nyina ase ensuo etwa ye ho ahie nyina ase Medi me kobuase a ensuo akasi a metwa eye pra ye nsuo a ada ho fitina na tete pompo ni nyina na ase omo nyina ye nsuo omo twa ye ho ahie omo boye ho ban so tete tumi wo nsuo no nti ene premature death na ekoso mpanifo ewu entia enyantia se menu mienu yantia se na ekoso sisi a wo tim galamse eliti wate ase nsase no ye nananu mu nyankopon wo che ye bibia enua ene ade a ebon frema nyina e ma ya hoadi o ba ye nim ensu atwa ye ho ahye nya first ye nananu mo ko afuo mu a mikai se miswa na ye makwan na meko village se meko me nanawo ekurase na meko me ma me mo ekurase a ye ko na wo ko nsu obehu se nsu kase da ye kwa ye kodwale wo ye ko cheche koto abebia ene nuoma beta ene bi ne obi emo ne gu nsu no nyina adwane nti ye menu mi no ye busa ye ho se ne next edi ebiom ne besi be kakra kra be kra nsuo obuase youth wo mo blo boys ne nyo wo mo a omo bla adwuma papa ade papa bi ani buase e ho na me firi my ton force my su ho na me su adwuma me showcase we na me de ye business wo buase pa na me ton mercury obi a wo hwe me bi anim se me firi obuase na me ton med mabele pa but me we na che no galamse soldiers won be gu mu na mo yewu e wa keteche su na me da me ni na me de bachi e ba nkran se be ba be pe ma no do because me wo ma bienu na youth no so blend me ka se nchira say adwuma na wo so mo fa mine na wo boase na wo so mo fa timefo mo fa o mo ye me fu so that say o boase ade papa bi ani ho so far the area jojo man mama won ko hwe won ye do no go dey jai on ko hwe nti de meka chen kakra me so meka chen ni say achechi ni yi ni man nyankopon yi ni man say o meboa enchirimba because Nicole is already come back on ne yesi enye it is o si ono na ye dia wabade a e besre so onwu ye mobo no wondom ye ni youth no onum ye ni youth ama youth no nyoma basa no bi ye me type obi o ha sebi otukwan ya no oba ashawo but me te ha e de mensa no adwuma na afiri obo ase aba obi a obotaye odi tukwan se bo ase ya nka me be pehwe wa ha because nkra ha e dan rent na ekum nipa Mrs. Aminuka say me kuta nkwala mienu. Ejuma me onzo ba me nya me hwe TikTok. Kuta nkwala mienu. So betena a whole week no went me enya juma 100 cedis and not 200 cedis awo moka. Where there to light be. Where there to yoka. Huh? Ye did the mo nkana. Sita bua say ya. Ye papa ma bobla wo hwa ye wodan. Na ye ma me wudi do won and ye fie bi etia bom. Ba President Mahama. Unja ache na politics dey so what politics ate e atem didie na ebekoso said you obi baba ye obako ya ye no na saa na ono so aba na be nti wonja ontiti na so atem didie ho no focus no omwa youth no na de da nanim on de botaya odisi na ni so oba beboa oman no omwa ye akra me de meka
amunti me nyere fa ade de ajinsem nti adwuma odia boys in beja adwuma ni opa dia omboa omunya ti omuntu omadwe ana mure omadwe so ma soja for tata ma omunka hu so mukukuruma for na kuruma for no so be ku soja for ni bi nti ene omu fa so omadwe so munya kasa kire na omu ni ombo adwuma no enhase enkoso ombejai asamu di soja for a omu so nye den a Mukuni patena anya da soja ni ba konso abekre ne nkwa taban nya life na nya kasachre na djuma nkoso dia omujai
Dide nya ye djuma ebekoso
djuma ebekoso
so far no ye radon mani mama fa bibia ngu kwama wo be hu ne say oh we de adu de Mahama betimi astom
ada no de agu kwam Mahama fa bibia ngu kwam why ade amoze $30 so as me who say 419 sisi a nra news kra no omo to ifu mu enti dad no de agukwa o fa bia ngukwa so no na be kan asem say politics there o be kan talk akra no aka no kra kakra enti no pe awini enti no so be kan intro no de wini enti bia ni onu ma ebesisa enti no azie nyina etim no somebody agana yenton yenche no bi anjini sika
Mr. Mankwa me ofase wo say ni sika bane de awie ni project no eso de bia me ofase ka mane wo problem
enemremu na monte tap sending kan
no so ne de
tap send here easy fast and secured way ubetimi send sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa awo be ne say
Chirani say won call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download dia. Ebebu sanso promo code o ma de pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend na ka kire.
Tabi mi nyanwie. Esanse tap send e the good news aba. Tap send the gina the customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba.
No be any say.
So your customer who UK sesia. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no mu create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no ana se mpo ubetimi atu susu nkakra enti abre sem a opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana ana se uba o my Ghana mu a watimi use sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you use momo Ghana hayru
sa pepe se si tap send that trainer shim Kopium wo United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, and Austria. Tap send now.
Papa no.